Well, this is the last one we're looking at. What do you think?
Hollow? It's hollow?
Well, I mean, the door should be. Oh, let me open the door and I'll see if I can look inside. Oh, the doors are very quiet. That's very nice.
Yeah, but an apple sound.
It's like the car feels me.
Wait, I gotta get in the. It's very narrow.
Well, you're gonna be the driver, so get in the driver's side.
Okay. This door is not quiet.
That's gonna need some fixing.
What's this?
Hydraulic seats and everything. Hey, I'll just slam the door. Okay, good. Well, what do you want to try first?
Oh, what does this switch do?
Pop. Deep. Pop. Deep. Pop. Deep. Pop. Deep. Pop. Deep.
I'm gonna try the radio.
Hello. Can you feel it? Hello.
It's got 2 stations on it.
It's great because we can never agree on music.
That's true. Well, let's test the fans, see if they work. That's nice. Yeah. Let's turn them up to full. Okay, well, it needs to...
I can't hear you. I'm still in the car.
Erp. Erp.
Good thing I won my clown shoes today.
Erp.
Well, we gotta make sure that we check that there's enough trunk space for all your stuff when you move.
Erp. 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 Erp.
I'll hit the key fob and see if it opens it. It worked really well, actually, that time.
Oh, look at that.
It's spacious in there. Listen to this. Hello?
Hello.
And they got their own little safety kit with a ball of slime. For sticking things together.
And a pair of scissors.
And a silence. Just for when you need it.
Okay, well, let's just check to make sure there's a spare tire. I'll lift this panel. Unscrew. Sounds like the scissors are still...